welcome back. It's Rochelle here and I'm back with another video. As you can see, I already have the wig cap on. I'm not going to be doing the ball cap method because this is a glueless wig application and it is beginner friendly. Now the wig that I'm rocking in today's video, it is from Kiss Love Human Hair. So everything you need will be included in the packaging. So we have our melting band, we have the HD wig cap, which is super thin and it's perfect if you're going to be wearing a HD wig, which this wig is. Now the also eyebrow razor, which is good for cutting your lace, but you won't need to because this lace is pre-cut. We also have a nice cute little pink bonnet and pink robe as well. Now let's get into the hair. The hair is absolutely gorgeous. It's a very nice ombre shade, so you can see at the bottom that it is brown, and this is the texture of the hair. It is a Yaki straight texture wig. And I absolutely love the knots on this. Look how tiny they are, like pre-plucked, pre-bleached. I don't have to do anything to it. The lace looks great. This is a perfect 13x6 and the combs are removable, guys. I love that because, you know, I usually have to cut the combs off, and then the one in the back is, this one is not removable, which I love. The one in the back is the one I mainly use. And this is also a drawstring wig as well, so it's easy to adjust on the head. It also has the elastic band, which I love my drawstring with the adjustable strap. I've already adjusted the strap, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on my head just to see how she's looking straight out of the box. All right, so this is how she is looking, and the hairline looks really good. Now as for the lace, I'm gonna have to tint it so it matches my skin tone perfectly, but overall it looks pretty good. I do have to adjust the straps in the back, so we do have the drawstring in the back of the wig, so I'm gonna adjust that. Now before I do that, I'm just gonna put this up, that way you guys, if you are new to wig, you can actually see exactly what I'm doing. It's really just that simple. That's it. As you can see, I have this little string like hanging right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tuck that under like so, and she is secure and in place. I was looking in the back, it looks good. Now before I put the tape down, I'm going to go in with my hot comb just to comb away the hair from my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and use some hair wax, and I'm just going to apply that onto my wig, and then I'm going to go in. I probably put too much. I'm going to go in with the hot comb, because we're gonna have to flatten this girl down. Oh my goodness, that is so hot. You gotta be careful with these hot combs. So as you can see, there's nothing covering my ear. And then this part goes down like so, so it goes over the ear, so it's in the right spot. Okay, so now we have some wig tape here. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the wig tape. I'll be honest with you, I'm not the best when it comes to wig tape. I'm not much of an expert. I find that sometimes it can be easy, sometimes it can be a little tricky to use. Now let's get into the tape application. I'm just applying it to the skin, and then I'm going to pull the lace down. You can also put the tape onto the actual lace and then pull the lace down. That should be actually easier method than the way I'm doing it. Now I'm gonna go in with some of my Sticky Little Secret melting spray just to melt that lace down. I'm gonna go ahead and melt this down with my melting band, and I'm gonna leave this on for about maybe 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and style this hair while my hair melts. So first things first, we're gonna straighten this with a flat iron. I don't like using a whole lot of products into my wigs. Now this, like I mentioned, this is the kinky straight wig. The hair does feel really soft. I love the fact that it has a texture to it when I straighten it. And I'm just gonna go in with my flat iron, and I'm gonna straighten it just so you guys can see how it looks once I style it and everything. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my palette, contour palette, and I'm going to just apply that onto the lace just to blend it into my forehead, tint that lace. Okay, she is looking nice. She's looking melted. She looks good. All right, that was so easy to install. Now I'm gonna go in with my hot comb just to flatten that wig down as well. All right, so this is pretty much the completed look. This is how the hair look once it is straightened. Absolutely love this texture. It's gorgeous, and I love the color. I think it is perfect for summer. Looks really good with the yellow, which is currently my favorite color, buttery yellow. I just want to give you guys some close-up shot of the wig. So this is how it looks when it is straightened. No baby hair is necessary. Again, this is perfect for a beginner. If you're a beginner and you're interested in this wig, all the info will be in the description bar down below. Now I wanted to add a bit of styling to this. Like I just want to curl it up a little bit just to see how it looks when it has a little bit of curl in it, and I absolutely love it. It is gorgeous. I even did a little half up half down style. Once again, really love the color, really love the texture, and as you can see, it is glueless and it is beginner friendly. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I will see you guys in another video very soon. I love you guys and thank you so much for watching. Bye.